Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power the machine off and lift the presser foot and needle so tension parts are free. Place the spool on the thread stand and lead the thread into the first guide. This prevents twisting. Feed the thread into the tension disc while you hold light tension because that establishes correct feed and stitch formation. Once done, route the thread through the sequence of guides to the take-up lever, making sure the thread seats in each slot so it won't slip during operation. Now you wind and install the bobbin, because bobbin tension is as critical as top thread tension. Wind to full, then place it in the bobbin case, pulling the thread under the little spring so it resists slightly. This balances stitch formation. Insert the bobbin case into the hook and make sure it locks. Next, bring the top thread down through the needle bar guides and through the needle from front to back. This alignment ensures the hook catches the loop reliably when you take the first handwheel turn. Finish by lowering the presser foot and slowly rotating the handwheel until the needle drops and the bobbin thread is drawn up. Pull both threads under the foot. Sew 10 test stitches on scrap fabric to confirm even loops and correct tension. Make small adjustments to top or bobbin tension and stitch length as needed. If you get skipped stitches, rethread both top and bobbin, inspect the needle for bluntness or wrong type, and ensure the needle is fully inserted with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.